This is a 1951 Henry J. Dragster. I usually don't video these performance cars, but I couldn't resist this one. What a cool paint job. Green and silver, but it's kind of a dull finish, but it's beautiful. And great interior here. Looks like for what it is, it'd be very comfortable. Now that instrument cluster, the bezel is correct, just like it was, but all the instruments inside have been updated. And of course, this is a new transmission and engine. I'm sure this is not running with a standard engine that this car had. And I know about Henry J's because we had a 1952 Henry J. Now this one's for sale, and you can see the telephone number is partially obscured, but I did my investigation here and checked as best I could, and it's 201-707-7008. Very cool, and the hood is cool. And when we get around to the very front of the car, I like that without the grille. I think it looks better without the grille, especially with that two-tone paint job. It looks lean and mean. And this car has a lot of horsepower. I don't know what it has under the hood, but whatever it has is something else. And evidently it runs pump gas, so not all that exotic. And you see the roll bar and all the equipment it would have to have, I assume. What a cool car. Now this car has a trunk, has a deck lid. Ours did not. Ours was a leftover 51 that they retitled as a 52. They sent it all the way back to the factory to get a new VIN number when they didn't sell it in 51, so it became a 52. Amazing. My dad paid $1,200 for it. No trunk, no glove box. Got to the well, you had a trunk, but you had no access to it from the outside.